Góðan daginn, allan daginn. It's Speak Viking. I'm in the car wash right now, so I'm speaking loudly and clearly. I hope you enjoy it. This is the next installment of Vlogging Viking, and I wanted to mention something about personal hygiene by way of learning Icelandic. So, one thing about me is that I like to take showers. I like to take showers to feel clean, but I also like to take showers to freshen up. I also clean my car, but that's not necessarily related to taking showers or cleaning yourself. But you gotta clean your car too. And so, the thing about getting freshened up, getting cleaned up, feeling sparkling and shiny and good about yourself by taking a shower is that you can then go into your day and you feel confident, you feel relaxed in your own skin. Okay, so how does this relate to learning Icelandic? Well, whatever it is that you need to do to feel fresh and confident and in your own skin as you're learning, make that a thing that you do and connect that to learning Icelandic. Car's getting so clean. Yeah, you want to connect that to when you're learning Icelandic, how you show up learning Icelandic, so that you feel good about yourself. So, I don't know if taking a shower is something that makes you feel better about yourself. Maybe it's putting on fresh clothes, or maybe it's making a cup of tea as you sit down to learn Icelandic. Whatever that thing is that you do for yourself to make yourself feel better, to make yourself fresh, in the zone, sparkling, in the groove, do that thing. Do that thing. Do that thing to get better at the other things, you know? So that's my input. That's my thing. This car is still getting cleaned. Yeah. Whatever little thing it is that you need to do to put yourself in the zone, put yourself in the zone, put yourself in the zone, put yourself that much closer to being a master. Whoa. Of the thing that you're working on. Do that thing. Do that thing. Do that thing. Takk fyrir og bless bless.